tomorrow will be better. For a right angle triangle, tan theta equals 5 divided by a root of 11. Find without using a calculator cos theta. Dear friends, this question was sent to me by one of our subscribers because she is still struggling with trigonometric functions and trigonometric ratios. So in this video, I'll clearly show you once more how to use this kind of functions and how to address this kind of problems. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. Now, the first thing is, it's very helpful and useful for you to start by representing this information in a typical right angle triangle, okay? So let's start by sketching one, which is of course not drawn to scale. So if this is our angle theta here, by definition, and once more, it's important for you to note and master and retain all the trigonometric functions and their ratios. Tan is opposite over adjacent, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So now this is tan here, opposite over adjacent. So let's represent it here. If this is angle theta here, this is the angle which is opposite to this angle, and then this is the side which is adjacent to this same angle here. Now the question says find cos theta. Remember that cos theta is given by adjacent over the hypotenuse. Now we already got the adjacent, which is root of 11. So what's left for us to get now is the hypotenuse. So again, in accordance with Pythagoras theorem, dear friends, this hypotenuse, let's call it x. X squared equals the opposite square plus the adjacent all squared. At this point, all you need to do is to carefully simplify it, carefully. Now, this means that to make x the subject, let's start by isolating x squared, which will be equal to, this will be 25, because 5 squared is 25, and then this cancels this. Be careful, guys. The square cancels the square root operation, so we are left with just 11, and the right hand side is going to sum up to 36. Therefore, the adjacent, the hypotenuse is equals to the square root of 36, because at this level, to take care of the square root sign, the square sign, you would take the square root on both sides as such. Therefore, x equals 6. All right. For this reason, the question that we've not yet answered the question, dear friends. Be careful. So for this reason, cos of theta will be given by, now, the adjacent root of 11 divided by the hypotenuse, which is 6, dear friends. This is how simple it is, because tomorrow has to be better.